Hi darlings, this is Emma and you can't imagine how excited I am to see you back here on my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be trading on pocket option, exploring the wonderful and fascinating world of trading together. And for today's session, I decided to start very small with the amount of money literally anybody has, just $30 to jump into the game, and let's see how much I can grow it. I am really intrigued and very excited, and without further ado, let's jump right into the game. All right, let's do it. You and me together. So I'm gonna pick candles and one for the time frame. So now I'm gonna need zigzag. I'm also going to need, so just a word of caution, never skip that part. $30 to start, and well, let's zoom out and zoom in and see what's been going on here. Okay, I think I got the idea. You see, darlings, the price held above 85.21, after which recovery has begun. The zigzag is showing local reversals, and the parabolic SAR forms support dots below. Take a look, it's very clear here. So what is also clear is that we are gonna go for a long here. It's time to buy and it's time to go all the way up. That is right. Quick question. Were you considering educational approach to strategy the best one? If yes, I've got you covered. In my Telegram channel, the link to which you'll find below this video, I answer any questions you might have about trading, about strategies, about efficiencies, and about how to build consistent results. $57.60 is my first profit, first of the many, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. Okay, time to get another pair and time to increase the bid. $57.60, and let's go right away. The price bounced off 9.31 and formed a reversal structure. The zigzag is indicating a shift in local movement, while the parabolic SAR confirmed the signal from below. So another clear long one. We are going for a call option, and we are waiting for that growth to happen. Love it. $110.59. Another wonderful result. Okay, how about the euro and Turkish lira? Could it work? I think it could. $110.59 for the next bid. And I see that after a reversal move, the price confidently moved upward. Zigzag confirmed the local bottom, and the parabolic SAR settled below, supporting this rise. So it's the day of the call options. Let's buy. Going all the way up, darlings. I did yoga this morning. I've been taking a little break. Just wasn't in the mood this past week. Not in the mood for yoga. But today I did it, and goodness, it felt so great to be back in tune with my own body. Honestly, one of the greatest feelings is just the deep core muscles engaged. $212.33. I love how today we're building it steadily, step by step. Let's stay focused, and I'm going to increase the bid to $212.33 to be very precise. And I see that after a local correction, the price held at 1.95. The zigzag marked an upward wave, and parabolic SAR settled under the candles, indicating the buyer support. So what that means for us? That means we are going for a call option. Let's do it. My dear friends, if you want to explore more trading opportunities and learn profitable strategies, one thing you gotta do, check the link below this video and join my Telegram channel. Promise you won't regret it. $407. Wow. Fantastic result. We are getting close to $5,000, and mind you, we only started with $30 as my first beat. Let's get another pair and let's increase the beat to $407.67, and let's go right away. You see, after dropping to 1.37, the price rebounded and formed an upward wave. The zigzag fixed the reversal, and the parabolic SAR shifted under the candles, reinforcing the buyer's signal. So, call option, here we go. Let's do it. Such a wonderful day today. Tell me how yours is going. Please drop a line in the comments. I read every single one of them and I want to hear back from you. $782.73. I love this more and more. Every second is just getting better. Let's pick another pair and let's increase it. $782.73. Yes, the bids are getting serious. I can see that after declining to 1.1729, the price actually turned upward. The zigzag reflected this new bullish wave, and the parabolic SAR dot settled below the candles, confirming the buyer momentum. So we are definitely going for another call option here. What a day, darlings. What a day. I love it. Everything is so nice and clear. The sky is clear. The market is clear. I just love this inner sense of clarity. Just love it. And here we go. $1,502.84. Oh my goodness. $1,500. Guys, once again, I started with 30. Isn't it crazy and wonderful? I want to do one more. And I'm going all in. $1,502. And I see that the price broke the support around 9.3 and it consolidated lower than that. The zigzag reflected this downward wave, and the parabolic SAR dots remain above the candles, confirming the seller pressure. So finally, guys, it's time to sell, and we are selling. So let's go for short here and let's wait for the drop. And you see, while we're waiting, I'm just gonna explain to you the logic behind it. The zigzag here, it outlines the structure that we have, and SAR I'm using to confirm the entry. So I only enter the trade when both indicators point in the same direction. And the results, oh my God, it's crazy. $2,885.45. Guys, round of applause for me. What a great session. I literally took $30 and turned it into almost $3,000. Well, I'm gonna be precise, so $2,885. I think that's beyond fascinating. What freedom you have with trading when you actually put effort and time into it and you know what you're doing and you see the logic behind your actions. And if you really want to level up your trading game, and if you're interested in exploring profitable strategies and learning how trading actually works, I explain all of it in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure you join me there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go on and enjoy my day, and I wish you to enjoy yours. Stay awesome, stay lovely, stay in love with trading just like I am, and I will see you very soon. Bye!